It's so beautiful. Really? Thank you. Can I see myself? Can I see mirror? Okay, let me. I'll use this one. Okay. Oh my God. What are you still waiting for? Can't start doing makeup. I'm so beautiful. Please, where is my husband?
He has gone home.
Gone home? Yeah. I need to talk with him to know if all the items are complete. My mother has been calling me on phone.
Chidera, don't occupy your mind with these issues. Your husband is there. He's going to take care of all these things. It's your wedding day. Maybe this is your day. Be happy.
You don't understand. I don't want to suffer shame. I know how my people are. If the traditional marriage items are not complete.
Calm down. Everything will be alright.
Papa Zubike! Papa Zubike! I will leave you behind though.
Mama, leave Papa first. Leave Papa, beg.
Yeah, Azubike. Let me ask you a question. Because are you still going to provide all these things, the extra things they brought on their list? After providing all the initial ones,
Mama, there is no extra item on that list. Just that I lost a page from that list.
And I call Obiati. Which means hunger will kill us in this house after your marriage.
Mama, leave that one. When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Get bridge in call. In short, the only option we have now is for your father to tell his mother. Let your father explain everything to his brother. I'm sure he will understand. Because your father has exhausted his bank account.
Ma, it's okay. There's no time. Let me rush. Something be coming, please.
Papa Azubike! I will leave you and go. I will leave you and go.
Have faith, I beg. Don't like this your face, I beg.
At least let me call him on the phone. Hello, darling.
Hello, baby.
My love, please, I want to know if you've gotten everything for the traditional marriage, all the items needed.
My father spoke with his brother and he accepted to lend us the money to complete the remaining items.
My love, but it's 30 minutes to church service. When are you going to run around and get all those items before going to church?
Don't worry, I'll send my younger brother to go and clear up that stuff.
My love, please do everything you can to get all those items. You know how my people are. I don't want any embarrassment or shame, please.
I know, just cheer up, okay? Everything will be fine.
Alright, baby. I'll see you in church.
Okay, if you're ready, come on, let's go. Okay, bye.
Bye. Yes. Love. His uncle promised to lend them some money to get all the items.
I told you that he's going to take care of everything.
My dear, your people really tried. The kind of gift they gave to you on your wedding day, it was much.
Sweetheart, your own parents tried me. They surprised me. Oh, your father with all his support and your mother with her words of encouragement. I'm so happy.
Anyway, I am so impressed with God for the kind of gifts you people showered on you. I'm so impressed.
You know, at some point, it seemed like everything was going to crumble. Then your uncle came at the last minute. I'm so happy. I feel like the happiest girl on earth.
Our lives, not only you. Do you understand? You remember the mathematics in the church? 1 + 1 =
1.
Yeah, so we can open this door.
Is your mother?
It's your mother. Go and open the door. What does she want?
This is the problem now. Wait.
Go and open the door.
Hey, I can't wait again.
Mama?
Yeah? Where are all those gifts we brought back? Where are they?
Mama, I packed them in my store.
Pack them in your store. Which your store? Eh?
Mama, what is the problem now?
Okay, just shut up. I want you to bring out everything first thing in the morning, including the fridge, the freezer, the television, and the gas cooker.
Mama, for what now?
Shut up! I hate to repeat myself. I said first thing in the morning. Yeah? Why are you two sweating like this? Eh? Mojo. Warala.
Tell him, why is she angry at me? Am I not supposed to keep my own wedding gifts?
I don't understand. I don't just know. But I must get to the root of this mama's attitude. What is this?
Well, it's okay. Let's not allow this spoil our mood.
Okay. This I'm so angry now.
No, we don't have to be. Today is our day, our night. Cheer up, cheer up. Cheer up, cheer. Come.
I have given them till tomorrow morning to bring out all those items.
I'm glad you have actually realized what I meant. To have allowed it to be tomorrow. That is good of you.
Matters like this are better handled no. If you delay or the dangerous. Yes. Whatever hand you give these people, that is what they will use against you. That's the way they will regard you.
Mama, you're on point. Mama is right.
While I was talking, she couldn't utter a word. Because she knew I was saying the truth. Never. It's not possible.
Mama, I love you. You're always on point. Mama, my view about this Azubike's wife is that she would be this type that would love to control everybody. Mama, I would suggest we start now to control her instead of she controlling us.
I'm happy you understand all that.
I be your son now. Am I not your son?
I will not let anyone come in here to teach me how to run my home. Very soon now, Paul and Gozie will marry their own wives. Those ones will come in here now and want to imitate evil. They're not possible. Aye, they're not possible. Nai, karapu kwa. Karapia. Odigodu.
Papa. Why are you too dull?
I said, shut up your mouth, you mumu like you.
Chai,
Well, do you have any bread?
are you my father?
Peace.
Our children open their brains so that they will go to school, they will learn, and they will achieve more than we the parents achieve.
Amen.
God. Father, I will cover ourselves with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of
I cover my
Jesus.
husband with the blood of Jesus.
Blood
He's
of
going and
Jesus.
coming back with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
Whatever he's going to lay his hand today with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of
We cover
Jesus.
ourselves, O King of Glory, my place of work, O God, everybody, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my brothers and sisters-in-law, and their families, O God, we cover them with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of
Father, come and be
Jesus.
with us, O
Father,
God.
King of
In
glory,
everything,
thank you.
let your name alone be glorified. For in
Amen.
Jesus' powerful name I have prayed.
Amen.
Surely,
Goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Praise God. Is that why Mama is knocking as if she wants to pull down the door?
Yes, now. Why are they still sleeping? Is it not morning?
See, Paul, let me tell you something. See, as we can, our brother, he will not accept to surrender those items. You know Azubike now.
What are you saying? He has to bring
Yeah, Azubike is looking for my trouble in this house. Oh. He is looking for my trouble.
Mama, what happened now? Where is it?
I have been knocking for over 5 minutes. They heard me and kept quiet. No, the way I'm sweating.
Mama, you know, Azubike and the wife, they will not open their door until they must have said their morning prayers.
Bia, Chigozie, if you want to still remain my friend, don't support him.
But Mama, I'm not supporting anybody now. I'm just trying to tell you the reason they refuse to open the door for you.
Stop saying that, oh.
You know your son. He must say his morning prayer every morning before coming out.
No, send.
Okay.
Mama, good morning.
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 We are going at Chibawam door.
Oh.
Who was knocking on my door?
Oh. So you heard it. You heard it and kept quiet.
Mama, I'm sorry, I was praying.
You were praying. So where is that your wife? Why has she not brought out all those items I told her to bring out? Last night I told her she should bring everything out first thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, but now.
Mama, let me ask you something. Was that why you were knocking on my door early this morning?
Yes. Will you call police for me?
And this item you're talking about, they are my wife's wedding gifts given to her by her people. So what's your business there?
Ah! Azubike, I was at that wedding though. When they told us that in marriage, 1 + 1 is 1, not 2. Therefore, her things are now your things, and your things are her things. Okay, Nano? So tell her to bring those things out. I expected her to bring everything, all the gifts, and hand them over to me. But she went and hid all of them to show you the kind of wife you have married. Ifunya?
I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
You will soon understand. Chalam knows.
Azubike, please. It's too early for your wife to start having issues with Mama. Just let her release those gifts so that peace will reign in this house. Oh.
Bullshit.
Also bullshit.
You heard it now. Bullshit. Instead of you to support Mama, you're supporting bullshit. Yeah, you were supporting him. Bullshit. I heard that one clearly.
Sweetheart, can you imagine? Yeah?
What is it?
I don't know what has come over Mama. Yeah? I don't know what is wrong with her. What is she doing with our wedding gift? Eh? What is happening?
Our wedding gift. Is that why she didn't answer my greeting this morning?
Oh, she's ignoring your greetings.
Yes. Papa was there with her in the living room. I came and greeted both of them. She just ignored me. It was only Papa that answered me.
Mama is really provoking me this morning. For real.
Darling, please. Let her have the wedding gifts to avoid problem, Biko. Please.
For what? She cannot have it. Eh? Those are our wedding gifts. Eh? Why are you talking like this? Even if she needs or wants any of those gifts, the way she's going about it is wrong. Eh? I think I will go and talk to Papa because I hate this embarrassment.
My love, please. I think I know why she's doing that. That's why I say she should have it. She should have them.
Sweetheart, it's a lie. I will not take that. If this is an intimidation from Mama, I will not take it.
It's over 10 minutes you called these people. Up till now, they have not answered you.
I see.
I'm sure it's that Chidera girl that is holding her son back from coming out.
Yeah, Gozie. Go and find out what is keeping them. Find out what is still keeping them there. Go and find out what is keeping them. I don't know this kind of thing.
Yes, Papa, let me go.
Papa. It's time you let this Chidera know that we are one peaceful family. We don't need division. In fact, we can't be in enmity with our own brother. We cannot.
Mbano, ya try yanya. Ya try ya kanwanya ba. Let her try it.
I won't take it at all. What is... Who is that?
It's me, Gozie. Papa is calling you.
I've heard. Can you imagine?
My love, please. Please.
No!
For peace to reign, allow her have the gift.
I won't take that.
Please.
She cannot have our wedding gift. For what now? Tell me. Let me go and stop her first. Go on.
He said both of us, I'm coming with you.
Okay, come.
Please, I don't want this kind of problem.
I'm still going to go.
You have said the right thing. Not like other.
Papa.
Good.
Papa, they are coming.
It's okay, let them come.
Let us keep waiting.
Who knows how long it is going to take them again to come?
You sent for us.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I sent for you. Your mother told me that she was knocking at your door this morning and you and your wife refused to open the door for her. Why?
Papa, how come? We were praying then. There's no one could have abandoned the prayer to come and answer whoever that is. I don't know. I didn't even know. Do you understand? Because I knew I was going to do that later.
Besides, Papa, we didn't know she was the one.
Oh, just shut up! Shut up! You have taught my son how to tell lies.
Ma, you're insulting my wife, and I don't like it.
With your wife, my wife. How much did you contribute to that wedding? Tell me.
Ma, please stop that insult. Enough of that insult, please.
Fadin, Ichiyero. Would she have been here if not for your father's efforts? Wife. What is that? Anyway, Nazwike, there is no point prolonging this talk. Tell Azubike and his wife to go in there and bring out all the gifts they collected at the wedding. Let them bring everything here.
Lie. I will not do it.
He say,
I will do no such thing. Those gifts belong to me and my wife.
He say, you will not do it. I ask you again, how much did you contribute to this wedding, Nafion? Go and bring it, oh. Go and bring everything, oh. Go and bring it, oh.
Papa, please, if this is the reason you called us here, I am done with this meeting. Please.
Azubike, come on, sit down here. I said come back here. Sit down there.
Are you begging him to come back? Let him go. Let him go. He's the first to marry. Go.
Daddy, please sit down. You can't walk out on your parents. Please, sit.
Nepia. Nollywood. You're now acting as if you don't like what is happening. Meanwhile, you were the one that ignited this fire in our bond. Darling.
Mama, let Papa to do the talking now.
Are you high?
Let Papa talk on this issue.
Because are you high?
Yeah, you know Naja cow.
Papa, please, I cannot say anything for now because I am very, very angry. Very angry.
Come and beat me, no. You're angry at you. Come and beat me.
Odro possible. Mama, I will not do it. Odro possible.
You see the way he's challenging me in the presence of his wife. Tomorrow, please, if
you like to calm down.
Jeno go take gift. Go and bring all those gifts out.
Mama will not do it. We will not do it. This is bullshit.
Darling, please. Darling, come back. Don't walk out. Darling.
Hey, bullshit.
Bullshit.
Shut up.
Okay, I'm saying what because. See, Papa.
Get out. Come on, step up, boys. Papa, come on, I didn't bank at that. Hey, Papa.
Just give us some time.
It's too quiet. I don't like the way you handle cases. Mbamba, don't tell me that last weekend. I don't like the way you handle cases. Over intimidation.
Because you are a mother to him.
No, over I will get angry now. I'm against the bomb. Don't see anything. I don't see anything. It's too quiet for my liking. Hey! Ne. Remember I told you that my husband was the one who sponsored that marriage?
Yes, you told me.
Ima, that immediately we came back from that wedding, Chidera packed every gift and hid inside her store. Hey! I've been telling her to bring everything out, but she refused.
Hey! Why should she do a thing like that? Eh?
Oh!
Hey! Hey! Laura, this is an indication that that girl is very heartless and stubborn. You have to be very careful with her.
I'm okay now, I've got to be careful. I am a careful person.
No, now.
You don't need to bother yourself. I know how to handle her. If with those gifts,
Bam.
She will bring every one of them out.
Bam! She must bring it out. But what of Azubike? Is he aware of all this?
Oh! Is he Azubike? Oh! Azubike, oh! Because Azubike is no longer Azubike, oh! She gave my son love potion.
Hey!
Azubike
this is serious.
Now woman rapper.
Hey!
He is no longer a man.
Hey! This is serious, oh! Hey!
Onanya mwamka Glover. Ebo sinye George.
Biko. Laura wanne me bagwarala. Hey!
This is what I will come back to give you the full story. Oh? For now I'm rushing somewhere.
Okay.
Just that I was passing and your gate was open. Second batter. Say good morning.
Okay.
I know how to handle her. Oh?
No, please. You have to be careful. You are important to me.
Okay. Oh? Bye.
Okay, Hey! Look at Chidera of yesterday. That was behaving like a cat. Today she is a lion. Hey!
What is it? Please talk to me. What is it?
I know your mother. I don't know what I've done to her. Why does she hate me with passion?
Baby, I've told you to forget about this issue. Whatever she's doing, don't let it to deprive you from joy.
My love. Since I entered this family, she has been maltreating me. I don't know what I've done to her, where I've gone wrong.
You see the reason I say you should allow her have those wedding gifts?
So that I'll have peace of mind.
Baby, I cannot do that. I'm so sorry. It's not done anywhere.
Hey, it is easier for you to say because you're not the one at the receiving end. Your mother hates me. She doesn't like me. She has even poisoned her children's mind against me. What have I done to her? Where did I go wrong?
It's okay. Please, stop crying. Stop crying. Stop doing this to yourself. Please.
I know the reason she's doing all that. I know the reason she's doing all that she's doing because They're the ones that sponsored our traditional marriage. Darling, please. You will do everything possible to pay their money back. That's why she's doing all that she's doing.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Please. Please, stop crying.
I don't remember all this family. What have I done to her? What did I do to her?
Come on, get some sleep. It's okay.
It's too much for me.
Azubike,
Yes.
honestly, I was not happy when Mama told me everything. Chidera should have brought out those things first. I know Mama will not take all of them.
Adanne, thank God you're married. Let me ask you something. Would you have given your mother-in-law your wedding gift?
This is different.
What is different there? What makes it different?
Okay. The difference is very clear. Papa was the one that sponsored your wedding. You should not have supported Chidera.
Adanne, thank God you're married. I'm so surprised that this is coming from you. A married woman like you.
Why won't you be disappointed? Because she told you the truth. Azubike weloni and wayoko fellow alosuli. Take it easy. Forget. But everything I did for Azubike and his wife. If you can't say have you seen it?
Mama, it's not fair. It's not fair.
So but you see Chidera, she will suffer in this house. No problem. Come and eat.
Mama, what of Papa?
Oh, he went out. He will come back before evening. And come inside. Sit down. I called both of you here, so that I can talk to you. And what I want to talk about is Chidera. Everything is confidential. Nanya, I don't want any of you to have anything to do with that woman. Ununana?
Yes, ma'am.
She is evil. I don't want her to corrupt you. Have I understood?
Mama, are you saying we should not interact with her in any way?
She is evil. Like I said, she will corrupt you. Let her just be on her own.
Okay. Mama, I've heard you.
Go to your room.
Mama, they see me.
Where are you going?
Mama, we are going to see one of my friends. We will be back soon.
Yes, ma'am.
You would have waited a little bit so that my wife can eat. I'm sure she's very hungry. Now go out again.
Don't worry, she will eat when she comes back. We are coming.
Mama, please, I want to take my kids to where they will make their hair.
You want to take your kids to where they will make their hair? Who will cook the night meal?
Mama, Gozie's wife is around. She can do it.
Which Gozie's wife? Ginika that is sick. And I'm sure you saw Chizoba following her husband out. Okay, take these children inside and prepare night meal.
Mama, our teacher said we should plait our hair before coming to school. Else, she will beat us.
She will beat you. That is very good. See, when you get to your school, tell her to use cane. Flogging is better.
Mama?
It will make you very strong and very intelligent. Oh, they will beat you to up where? Oh yeah, take them inside. Make their hair another time.
Mama, it's not fair.
Take them inside, and come and carry this thing. I'm not even doing it again.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Do you want them to kill my kids for me? You heard what she said. The teachers will flog them if they come to school with their hair like this. Please, Mama.
Let them flog them now. Who has flogging killed? Were you not flogged when you were in school? Did he kill you? Okay, take these children inside. If you're just go inside. Okay, when you drop them, you come and carry this one.
Mama, it's not good.
It's not pala. They don't want to think. If you go what you're teaching them, this one is even challenging me now. It's not fair. The papa chambolo dear. Nonsense.
Is this not the same Ginika that Mama told me that she's sick? Why should I always be the one to be carrying out domestic chores in this house? I will cook, fetch water, fetch firewood, sweep the compound and wash the bathroom and toilet. As if I'm the only one in this house.
Yeah, okay. I hope you saw the vegetable I left for you.
I saw it.
Go and cook. I want the food to be ready before my husband comes back. Oh? Chebe?
Mama, I thought you were sleeping.
Well, good evening, ma.
Asamo.
Mama.
Don't allow your husband to win you.
Yes, story. Mama, I've already given him 3-0.
You mean here?
Mama, but don't mind her. Just that I'm giving her the grace to win and she's taking it for granted.
Nene, what they give it?
So where the wrong? I am watching. Ngwano. Hey, one, five. The passes.
You're good now.
And you won't understand. Please.
Don't do that. Stick to your own food now.
And you won't understand. Do you know why I'm eating from your own?
Why?
This soup is sweet. Aye! So sweet. Yeah. This is that I get. She can cook very well. You can cook very well.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What are you trying to say? That she cooks more than me, your wife?
No, and I didn't say that. I didn't mean it that way. I was just trying to say the soup is sweet.
This is what you do all the time. Every time she cooks in this house, you give her special praises.
Honey, I am sorry. That's not what I meant, okay? I was just... yes! Come on in! Mama! Mama, please come and join us. I'm eating. This food is sweet.
I'm about to eat my own. Do you need more fufu?
Fufu?
Meat?
Fufu? Mama? No, we don't. Don't worry. This one is okay.
Let me know in case you need it.
No problem, Mama.
My wife. Well done.
Honey, are you still angry? Come on. I'm sorry.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
Leave. I don't know what kind of man are you. How did I end up with you? What kind of a man prefers another person's wife's food than his own wife? I don't get.
Honey, I didn't mean it that way. I was just talking about... I didn't say Chidera. I was not praising Chidera. I was only praising this food. That's what I'm saying. Listen, see, that's the... This food is sweet.
Father, bless and sanctify this food in Jesus' name.
Amen. What?
Oh, look at this.
Is this our soup?
Yeah. I don't like this, oh. I don't like this. I cooked this soup myself. With plenty meat and stockfish. How can Mama give us this? Too small meat.
See, it's okay.
Darling, it's not okay. Look at this. Look at this. It's not okay. You have to talk to Mama. It's not okay. They go to two pieces of egg. If you join them together, or we'll do one piece of meat.
It's okay. This. Okay. Just. We still have provision, right?
Yes.
Take this to the kids so they'll complete their own tutu. Give me bread and tea. Let me eat. Okay?
Darling, please talk to Mama. Talk to her. Okay, because of this, you are going to drink tea and bread. It's not fair now. I made this food myself.
It's okay. Okay? With tea, I'll be fine. It's okay. Give me tea and bread.
What can I do? This is total Casio. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart. This is trouble. Every Mama trouble. Every day see Mama don't. A biggie trouble. Gini kamere mama cheme mi fa mama keri ai meregi gini kamere ne mo cheme mi fa
You still seated like this? I've told you to forget about this issue. This is becoming a big burden to you. Huh?
You didn't want me to talk about it because you thought I was talking about your mother. That was my annoyance.
Baby, see, there are some certain things you don't discuss in front of kids. That's why I don't want to talk about it.
You think they don't know? The kids knows everything that is going on in this house.
Okay, baby, see. I promise you very soon, all this will be over. Okay?
I want to enjoy my marriage. I just want to stay on my own and enjoy my marriage. What kind of embarrassment is this? Yeah.
So you will stay on your own and enjoy your marriage. Come on, can we sleep now? It's night already.
I live like a slave in that house. There is nothing I do that impresses my mother-in-law. Nothing at all.
I cannot believe that she have decided to treat you that way. Her attitude changed immediately after your wedding. What happened?
I didn't want to tell you this before, but I have to tell you now. Do you know that my mother-in-law barged into our home and asked me to give her all the gifts that I received on my wedding day?
If you see the way she was counting it, the fridge, the freezer, the gas cooker, and the television. Are you serious?
But my husband refused. It's not a small thing. She was making trouble. Drama everywhere. I pleaded with my husband to allow her have those gifts. Kudochia, so that we'll have peace of mind in that house. But you know my husband, he refused.
What about your father-in-law? What is he saying about it?
Which father-in-law? Maybe. That one. Does he have any say? Follow your leader anywhere the woman is. He supported her. Case closed. I'm tired.
Your husband is the first son. There's a certain things he should not allow in the house.
Uju, do you know that Chizoba and Geneka will be in the house watching TV, painting their nails or their face, doing one silly thing or the other? My mother-in-law will come and call me to go and cook.
But it's not fair. Those two are your junior ones. You call nonsense here, Mukampa.
My dear, I've been praying and I will keep on praying. I have to be on my way now. I'm sure my kids will be back from school by now. Nobody will cook for them. They'll be waiting for me to come and cook. So, let me go and feed my children before I go and I don't know Maz.
Take it easy. But I'm happy for you one thing now. That your husband is not those ones that stand against their wives.
Before I go and I don't know Maz.
My dear, I'm happy that your husband is not among those men that stand against their wife in time of trouble.
Thank God.
Everything is fine. Soon.
I will. I'll see you soon.
No.
Grandma. I'm hungry.
Hey. Sorry, but you have to wait for your mother to come back. There is no food in the house and I'm hungry too.
Grandma, why don't we eat with you?
Eat what with me?
Grandma, does it mean that Auntie Chizoba and Auntie Ginika cannot cook in this house? It's only my mom that cooks in the house.
Who told you that?
Nobody told me. I know it's only my mom that cooks in this house.
Will you shut up? I'm not surprised. I know that your wicked mother told you all these ones.
Grandma, mom is not wicked. Say you're the one who is wicked.
What did you say? Monty, come here. Come here.
Last time you just gave us 2 pieces of meat.
Wait! Let me sort this tissue out. What did you say? Come
Grandma, leave my sister alone. Grandma, you gave us 2 pieces of meat last night.
I gave you 2 pieces of meat. Only you, yesterday.
Yes, 2 pieces of meat. You gave us 2 pieces of meat.
How? Why? An abofala? Was I drunk when I gave you 2 pieces of meat? I gave you 2 pieces of meat each and you ate.
Grandma, why will you lie?
Grandma, I'm hungry.
Chineke before no. Come on, cinema person. Almost Onyano, ye Chidera na azu. Makanya 2 pieces of meat umakaranya mtanya. Na na-egbu anu ebe aka ogin. She will always paint me red and black. Look at that small one. Telling me that she said I'm the wicked one.
This is total case. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart. She's my mother for facing not for heart.
My angels.
What took you so long?
I'm so sorry. I know you two must be very hungry.
Yes, Mommy, we are hungry.
Mommy, Grandma is waiting for you to cook for us.
Mommy, between you and Grandma, who is wicked?
Why did you ask me that question?
Grandma said that you are wicked. But we overheard you the other day telling Daddy that Grandma is wicked.
Did you tell Grandma that I said so?
Yes, Mommy, I told her.
Please, next time, don't say such a thing to anybody, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
I'm talking to both of you.
Okay, Mommy.
No, but it's not me.
Just learn from today, okay? Are you done with your assignment?
Yes.
Alright, so I'll prepare tea for you to eat while I cook, okay?
Yay!
And can I get my hug? That's my angel. Alright, let me go and change, I promise. Chineke bụ otu akidi. Onwere onye dịka gị. Ife gị asọgbu. Ma, good afternoon.
So you finally decided to come home. You decided to come back, alright?
Hey, Mama, sorry, I branched to see someone on my way back.
No, welcome. You decided to go and see somebody, and you forgot that we will eat lunch in this house, alright?
But Mama, I'm not the only one in this house. Chizoba and Genek are in their rooms, sleeping. You should have asked one of them to prepare lunch.
Are you mad? Eh? So you're now going to tell me who cooks and who does not cook? Are you mad? Eh?
Mama, you slapped me.
And I will give you a punch, man. No film, no again. Are you mad?
Mama, what have I done to you? What have I done to you?
Eh?
Mama, what kind of thing is this?
Hey!
What kind of thing is this now?
You're not shouting at me.
Mama, what is happening here?
Thank God you came out on time, oh. You heard her shouting, raising her voice at me. Or did you hear? Yeah, the man now. Okay, now.
What is it? What have I done to Mama? What did I do to her in this house? What have I done to her? Am I her slave?
Chidera, do you want to kill somebody?
Ifugi,
take it easy.
Ifugi, thank God you saw everything. So this girl would have stabbed me. Thank God you never. Hey! Tomorrow now she'll go and tell her children that I'm a wicked woman. Ifugi. So to I can't do listener. Okay now. Let my husband come back. You wanted to stab me. Hey!
What did I do to Mama? What have I done to her?
So you want to fight Mama now? Mama is Mama. If Mama is talking, you keep quiet. Oh, that's how they do it, eh? I don't like what you just did now. Just finish your boat.
She's my mother.
God in heaven, you're watching everybody. You're my witness. You're watching everything that is going on in this family.
Let me
Chidera is the only headache I have in this family. Since Ginika and Chizoba came into this family, they have never insulted me. Man, if Chidera,
Chidera, tell me the truth. Did you insult my wife?
Papa, you know me. I did not insult her.
I
did not do anything to her. She was the one that slapped me for nothing. Ask Chizoba here. She's my witness.
Me slap you? How? When?
I did not slap you.
Thank you, Mama. I slapped you. When? Where? How?
The question is, did you slap her or not?
This boy Buewu. Your mother brought a report that your wife has been insulting her. All you could do is to start cross-examining me. Eh? You can't even act.
Mama. I don't like this illness treatment you're giving to my wife. I don't like it, Mama.
You're a fool, oh. Che. Omu kina tulinu barabara. Omu. It's not serious.
Mama, please, let's settle this case amicably.
With this Chidera, there is no amicable settlement. She does not like peace. Well, even the Bible is in support of what I'm going to say now. Because it says that the kingdom of God suffereth violence. And only the violent taketh it by force. If Chidera, she does not like peace. That is why she has bewitched my son and put him under her control. Okay?
Mama, nobody bewitched me. I love my wife and I will not allow anybody to treat her like a slave.
Eh?
Yes.
Azubike, what do you mean by that? That your wife does some chores in the house. Does that prove that your wife is being treated like a slave?
Papa, do you know my problem with you? Whenever you see the truth, you just like to be far from the truth.
Oh! Azubike Boom, have you heard him? Azubike, look, except you withdraw that statement now. You must withdraw it, or this matter will go further beyond what you think the matter is. Do you hear me? How dare you? How dare you make such reference to me? Because of your wife? Chidera just came in here.
Papa, I'm sorry, please. Forgive my husband, please.
Shut up, oh.
See, you've started calling her names again.
Nah, they're not long way.
Mama. Azubike, that you're my eldest brother doesn't give you the right, the nerve to talk to Mama anyhow.
Yes.
Mama has just explained to you how your stupid wife here has been insulting her. If you're reasonable, what you would have done is to take your wife inside and talk sense into her. Not to sit here and be insulting Mama the more. I will break your head. Are you mad? Mama, I'll break what I'll break your head.
Calm down.
What is this? What's going on? Bullshit. Let's go.
Mama, I'll break his head.
Papa, why is it that brother Azubike is finding it difficult to control his wife?
Don't just talk, oh. Now you can open your mouth because they have gone. Okay? It's you equal Pakameba.
I'm your elder sister, so I'll be the one to play the role of grandma.
No, I'll play the role of grandma while you play the role of mommy.
Please now. Okay, I'll give you my chocolate. Please, will you accept?
When are you going to give me the chocolate?
Tomorrow after school.
I've accepted, so what are we going to do?
I'll be shouting at you while you'll be shouting at me. Let's do it. Chidera, do you know that you're wicked?
I'm not wicked. See that it's wicked. You gave us soup with only 2 pieces of meat inside it.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
You are wicked. It's not me that is wicked. Yeah, I'm not wicked. You are wicked. If you are not wicked, go and cook for us.
Hey. So, who taught you this? I'm asking you, who taught both of you this drama you're displaying here?
Answer your father.
If I close my eyes and open it, straight to your rooms. Baby, you see why it's not good to use some destructive words before these kids? They are too sharp, they are too brainy. Their brain captures some silly things so fast. Sweetheart, come on, cheer up. Okay? It's okay.
When will it be okay? When? When is everything going to be okay? When is everything going to be okay?
See.
Honestly, sweetheart, I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this. This is too much. It is too much.
Very soon, get some tangible things to do and we pack out from this place and, you know, and enjoy our life. Come on, cheer up. Cheer up. Hey, landlord, you are here?
I am here to collect my money.
Okay. Please don't be angry. No, just give me small time. Your money is not yet ready. Just give me time to make up your money and give you, please.
Azubike! Of course you know I'm not here to listen to this your trash. You know I'm not here to listen to this your trash. Go in and get my money, Azubike!
Landlord, even if I go in there, there is no money in there. What I have there is clothes for people to come and pick and pay. So I will give you your money. Pico.
Azubike, I'm not here for joke, oh. Go and get my money, please!
I didn't say you're joking. What I am saying is that give me small time. I don't have it now. I beg you.
Azubike.
Just give me small time to make up the money and pay. You see now there's still clothes here. They will soon come and pick and make some money and give you.
Azubike, don't push me to the wall, oh. I will not tolerate this nonsense next time I come here. Azubike, what I need is my money.
You're too big for somebody to be pushed to the wall. You're too...
So if I allow you, push me to the wall?
No, it's not possible now. Just what I'm begging is small time. Just I won't push you to the wall. You're too big for somebody to be pushed to the wall. Please, I'm sorry. Just give me some small time. Okay, run. Oh, this my job is not lucrative again. Eh? I'm not making any profit from this anymore. Eh? What is this? What is going on? Eh?
I wonder what is holding you from giving Chidera her position in your house. Eh? She should stay on her own. Her husband should fend for the family so that you and your husband will have to rest now. You people have tried.
No, we have really tried. It's just that my son claims his dry cleaning business is not doing well.
It's not doing well. Is that the reason he should not feed his family? Eh? The wife is a working class woman. She's a secondary school teacher, for crying out loud. So she has to help the husband.
Nke abugoro akamu case. Nke na-akụwagodu m isi is the fact that Chidera told her children that I am a wicked grandma. You know go there akụkọ ambo.
Nke na-eme ugbu a. Hey! Have you seen it? Have you seen what I have been telling you all this while? You have kept quiet enough over that girl's attitude towards you. Nke Kapanjo will not give you BP one day. That's my fear.
Mo. Hey, Ngo. Umi ezuru ya. It is that her useless mother that she will give BP, not Laura. Yeah.
I trust you and I believe you. But I will only advise you to be very careful with her. Despite the fact that she is pretending to be upright, she can be dangerous. Pico.
I am more dangerous. Moreover, I have Chidera here.
I trust you.
What are you
But I will only tell you to apply wisdom. Be cautious and be vigilant.
Okay. I will be. Or a vigilante group can join the group.
Group.
I will be leaving now. I'm expecting my brother's daughter.
Okay.
But next time I come here, Cholo Moji.
Oh, come on, baby. How are you now? Please stop that. Eh? You got... Baby, I love you. Okay, fine, I am sorry. I am very, very sorry. It won't repeat again, okay? I will make it up to you this time. Believe me. Eh? Okay, fine. If I see you, you will forgive me, right? Eh? If you say, okay, don't worry, I will make it up to you. Tomorrow morning, I will stop by to see you, okay? Eh? On my way to the market, I will see you. Please. I love you. Tell me I love you back now. Eh? Okay. Honey? Are you ready to sleep?
Who was that?
Who was who?
Paul, don't lie to me, okay? If you used to deceive me, this won't work. Who was the woman you were speaking with over the phone just now?
Honey, the same question I'm asking you. Who was who? Okay. Oh, you mean phone? Honey, that's what you should have said since now. You're just asking. Listen, you don't mind this my naughty colleagues at the market. You know, he just called me. He was just talking with me. I just told him, don't worry. You want to see me? Eh? I will see you tomorrow morning.
Don't even go there. I heard you. I heard every single thing you said to that woman or that girl, whoever. Yes, you were discussing with your girlfriend just now.
Honey?
So, let me bring the phone.
Honey, you're joking. What do you mean?
Just give me your phone. Let's see the person that just called.
Are you out of your mind? Why should I give you my phone? I should give you my phone. For what?
Eh? Paul, is this how you are? Just now I caught you talking with your girlfriend over the phone and you want to play smart. It will not work. Give me your phone. I want to see who called you. You think you can go around cheating on me? You take me for a fool. No. God will punish you. God will punish you and nothing good will ever come to your life. And God, there's nothing you lay your hands upon that will go well for you.
What? Chizoba, are you cursing me?
Yes, I'm cursing you.
Chizoba, you're cursing me.
You heard me right, I'm cursing you.
Are you mad? You're cursing me.
I don't even know what kind of man are you. I never knew I was getting married to a shameless he-goat like you.
Yeah. What is that?
Mama, what is it, Toto? This guy has the guts to call me he-goat.
Mama is cheating on me. Yes, I just caught him speaking with a girl now. Deny it. Bring your phone, let's check it. You're cheating on me.
Mama, what now?
Are you both not ashamed of yourselves? Eh? Don't you know that Chidera and Azubike will be very happy to hear your voices? Eh?
Mama, I'm still telling you to want this idiot. What now?
Be deceiving yourself.
Hey, shut up. Let me not hear any noise from this room again. Okay, follow me. Follow me.
Hey, this girl is stupid game. Eh? I want this guy told her not to call me at night. How can she call me by this time? Hey, Mama, thank you. Thank you for coming in. Eh? Hey, this girl wants to put me in trouble. Hey, Paul, you're smart. Look at the way you act.
Chidera.
I think. Good morning.
Good morning, dear. You are going to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What of your husband and children?
They are fine. What of Uncle? Did he come back?
No, he did not come back. I'm happy I met you now. On your way back to school, I would like you to come to my house. There's something I would like to discuss with you.
I hope there is no problem.
No problem at all.
All right. So on my way back, I'll see you.
It's okay.
Have a nice day.
Just a little thing, for goodness sake. Eh? Where was my mind? I'm not supposed to miss a thing like this. Hi. Oh, just a little thing.
Yeah, Papa Zubik. We forget now. Chidera has started again. Oh.
What has she done again? Tell me.
Go to the kitchen and see how she messed up everywhere. What? She was the one that cooked last night and she just left the place unkempt.
She left the kitchen untidy? No, this is unfair now.
Oh-ho!
Fair.
Thank you! Thank you!
Oh, children of these days. It's okay. Just tell Chiamaka to go and clean that place up. But let me ask, must you be complaining of everything? You shouldn't be complaining about everything now. And you know she's a worker. She has gone to work. So why complaining?
She has gone to work?
Yes.
Because come here, River Niger no can danye because she's working. Wait oh. Why would you tell me to call Chiamaka to tidy up the kitchen when I know it was Chidera that messed it up? I hope you're not trying to support her.
What have I said that is wrong? What wrong have I said? Just call a spade.
You have not...
I said call a spade a spade.
What spade am I calling a spade? And Nazubike, why would you support her? Why would you tell me to ask Chiamaka to go and tidy up her mess?
But please, Laura, I don't need your trouble. I don't want it at all. As you can see, I am busy. Please, let me be.
Busy doing what? In a Dokasalum calendar. Busy doing what? Na Dokasalum calendar. You are the one asking for my trouble, and trust me, I'll give it to you. If for that kitchen, it will remain like that until she comes back. Nonsense, Naya.
No, wait for her to come back. Wait for her to come back so you kill her. Kill her! So you have your way. Make sure you don't come back here. What kind of a woman is this? She takes joy in making trouble all around. Hi! I have been complaining that I never had any single winning last week. And she's here, disturbing me and making me forget my focus. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, look at it now. I've forgotten everything that came here now has gone. Now I will start afresh.
Good day, ma.
You are back already?
Yes, ma. I thought I should see you before going home.
Okay, no problem. Have seat, eh? Let me finish with what I'm doing at the backyard.
Okay.
Okay.
What can I do? This is total Casio. She's my mother for facing, not for heart. She's my mother for facing, not for heart. She's my mother for facing, not for heart.
Mommy Wendy, are you back from work?
Yes, I came to see Auntie Ngozi.
Okay, I came to see her too.
Okay, she's at the backyard.
Okay.
This is trouble. Mama trouble. Every day she enter. Mama don't. A biggie trouble. Abu Gini can marry Mama can make me Mama, can you marry Gini can marry Nemo can make me Mama, can you marry Mama became
Mommy Wendy, I have to be going.
Okay. I'll be right behind you.
Okay, see you at home, eh?
I invited you because of the concern I have for you and your husband. I'm aware of the difficulties you've been facing in your family. Could you please tell me the cause of the problem between you and your mother-in-law?
Auntie Ngozi, I don't know what I did to my mother-in-law. I don't know why she hates me so much. It all started immediately after my wedding. She demanded that I give her all the gifts I collected on the wedding day.
Eh?
My husband refused.
She demanded for your wedding gifts?
Yes.
Hey! But she has no right. She has no right over your wedding gifts.
Bless you. Exactly what my husband said.
Nne, you have to be careful with your mother-in-law. She is a very heartless and wicked woman. And all she wanted is for you to go back to your parents.
God forbid. What have I done to her? What did she say that I did to her?
Nne, you have to be very, very prayerful because I can see fire on the mountain.
Auntie, thank you very much for your concern. I'm grateful. I have to be on my way now.
It's okay. No problem.
Meet your husband for me. I will. Thank you.
When you think you're smart, some people are smarter than you. And I do man, up with devil's workshop. Ochu wakuko wando, wakuko wansa. Achu kata wabanyo, achu banya no wano. One know what you got to. It's my journey to you. Ewo, chimo inanubo. Life na jejeje, achu no wanike.
Mama, I'm back.
No.
Mama, deliver your message. Hey, Mama. Where are Wendy and Favor?
They are at the backyard with Chiamaka.
Okay.
I don't know what is keeping their mother today.
I met her at Ngozi's place now.
You met her where?
I met her at Ngozi's place, of course.
What is she doing there?
Mama, I don't know. Maybe she has gone to gossip as usual.
I know how to find out.
Mama? Mama, excuse me. Who's there, Mama?
Where are you coming from?
Mom, I'm coming back from school.
Ngozi's University or where? Huh? What did you go there to do?
Nothing, Mama. I just went there to see her.
Is she sick? Okay. You know I have my ways of finding out. There's no problem.
Good afternoon, my dear. Where are my children? They're outside. Okay. Are you busy?
No.
Okay. Please take this money. Help me buy a loaf of bread. Oh? Go immediately. I want to make use of it.
Okay.
Before you go, bring my children inside for me.
Okay.
Thank you.
She's my mother for facing, not for heart.
Why do you collect the job from us? Can't you take permission?
Yeah.
Auntie Amaka, collect it.
That looks for his mom.
Auntie Amaka, do not collect this thing. Just see that we are playing.
Madia. Oh yeah. Get inside.
I'm going. Oh, sister. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Is it by force? Leave me alone, no.
Come.
Hey, Mama, see, she's looking for my trouble.
Hey, shut up. Do you have any trouble?
Their mother asked me to bring them.
They can walk now. Go and answer your mother. Yeah, come. It's again. Oh! You want to fight me?
No, I was not fighting you.
My friend, jump inside. So here, Chidera and I with Alomeva.
Chamaka, help me wash this clothes. Chamaka, help me wash these clothes. Mama, Auntie Chidera asked me to buy bread for her.
No problem. Go and wash these clothes first. When you finish, you go and buy the bread. Oh?
She said she wants to make use of it now.
Yeah, Chiamaka. Don't get me angry. Let this be the last time you will run an errand for her.
Yes, ma'am.
Chilakwa Jeswo. Lizika sana ibu. N'ezi ka kpọtara m ha odibo.
Chiamaka, where is the bread I asked you to? Chiamaka, where did you keep the bread I asked you to buy for me? Where did you keep the bread I asked you to buy for me? Or say me yes, auntie?
I have not bought it.
You've not what? Chiamaka, boy, you didn't tell me she asked you to buy anything. Did you hear? Did you hear her? Have you suddenly gone deaf and dumb? What do you have to say?
What is it? What is the problem again?
Mama, it's Chiamaka.
Mama, again?
I asked her to help me buy bread. And she left it to do something else.
Hey. So, she should leave this one to buy bread for you. You on a drama.
Mama, wait though. I asked her to help me. You know I just came back from school. I asked her to help me buy. Let me eat bread before I start cooking. So, this one is better than... Mama, why are you talking like that? I expect you to scold Chiamaka here.
You want me to scold her? You
give me my money. Why didn't you go and buy the bread she asked you to buy?
Go on a modern. Sit down and wash. When you finish, I want just a Josie.
Mama asked me to wash the clothes first.
Mama did?
Yes.
Okay. Wash. Oh, wow. I am talking to both of you. What is going on here? Come down from there.
Listen, I am not going to warn both of you again. Here is not a playground. Did you hear me?